to collect fee from a student, then you need to go to collect fee, then click on, you can search for the student, and then click on collect. So I have created a fee for Smith. Collect. Now, if you want to give the discount, you can give the discount. You can type any discount. 2000. I am going to collect the fees 8000. And the due date, say pay date, today date. Okay, if you want to collect through cash, bank, UPI, DD, others, you can have the details. If it is a UPI ID, you can have the UPI ID details, everything in the remark. And see, if it is a term one, you can create one time, 10 times. And if you want to collect all fees in one go, just you can provide all the information, then click on save. It is monthly wise, you can collect for each and every month. All the feed will be created and will be appear here whenever you want to collect. And if any parent is there, if they want to pay for all the 10 months or 12 months, you can collect in one go. So once you click on save button, so this will come and it is asking you, please make sure whatever details you have entered is correct. Once you are 100% sure, then only click on save. If there is anything need to be modified, you go back and you can modify.